Hello guys, it's Lad here. Welcome to another unboxing.
What are we unboxing today?
This water gun.
What water gun?
This water gun. With this backpack thing, and it says by Skid Fusion.
So, water gun by...
It says Super Shooter. Skid Fusion. It says Super Shooter.
Skid Fusion, water gun, super shooter.
Whilst Lad's eating.
So, Skid Fusion, water gun.
With a backpack container.
So what does it say here? Wow! What does it say?
Let me see.
Warning, made in China for 3+ years. Not suitable for children under 3 years due to small parts. Country of origin, China. To be used under the direct supervision of an adult. Made in China. Wow. I'm an adult and it's mine. And I'm going to be using it. So let's get it open then. Let's get it unboxed. Surrounded by your... Transformer toys. And Bumblebee.
It's not from the real
Bumblebee.
movie though. Some other random...
I'm not sure who that is, but kind of get the drift. Surrounded by his toys. So let's get it open.
We're pulling the staples out. Here's where the plot starts.
So we've got the...
Wow,
So we have the...
water gun.
I'm not sure why they've done this. No wonder they said not for 3 years old. But look at this. This is absolutely a disgrace. Skid Fusion.
What?
I'm going to send you an email. This is made out of like a sharp plastic. And my son has just opened this and hurt himself on that.
I didn't hurt myself.
Well, you pricked yourself on that. Well, you did get hurt because you went, ow. That is not acceptable to be put on a child's toy. So I'll be sending you an email. A very strong email. Look at this. Look how sharp that is. Absolute disgrace. Okay, so that's the water pistol. There's no trigger on it, so what does it do?
It does this. But it just goes back and forth.
Okay, so it doesn't do that then, it does this. Oh, where is it? So it's a pump. It's a pump action. Okay, so then we have, what's this? A water bottle. So you can take it to school to drink out of.
It's a backpack.
So it's quite big. Let's put your head next to it. Put it near your head.
It's bigger than my head.
So your head's bigger than it actually. So that's a backpack.
Let me take my backpack off.
And so let's see you put it on. Sit down first, please.
That would fit me.
So sit down, please.
It would fit me.
So he's in his backpack. Turn around again. Model it. Backpack. That goes into the backpack. You pump water out. And then fire!
Like this, look.
You gangster. Look at this. So you attach that to there.
It's taken me like 5 times.
And then you fill it up with water. And then you pump.
So you put it on your back.
And then you fire. And where's the two, it squirts out those 2 holes there. And I'm going to be having fun with this. Because this one's mine.
And here's mine.
Let's have a look at yours. Again, made by Skid Fusion. Let's have a look at it. Hold it like that.
This is a pump, and it actually has a trigger.
So a trigger.
And this is how it fills up with water.
So you fill that one up with water like that.
You just unscrew it back on.
Okay, so yours don't hold as much as mine, I don't think. Yours takes longer to screw on. Okay, so let's see you holding it.
Okay, wait, and see to screw it back on.
Hold it like you're Guardians of the Galaxy. Let's see you holding like you're Guardians of the Galaxy. Wait, do it again like that. Same way. Hold it this way. See, just hold it there.
And look, mine.
And
look,
guys.
Look, mine actually spins around.
On that one, so you got 4, whereas mine's got 2.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so 5.
So there's one in the middle.
One in the middle.
But that's not one.
So you're going to get a lot out of it then. Okay. We'll see how we go with these.
Bye. Peace. Bye. Bye.